Hi there and welcome to the Excel beginner course. In this section we'll be looking at how to open up or launch Excel, and there's several ways on how we can do this. So let's take on our desktop, let's take our mouse pointer and move it all the way to the bottom left hand corner over the start button. Left click on the start button and then let's scroll down until we find E for Excel. Let's left click on it, Excel launches. Let me close this. Alternatively, let me go back to the start button, scroll back again till I see Excel, right click on Excel and then just let's select a pin to start. Okay, and with pin to start you can see then it adds it up to the taskbar. What we can also do is we can go right click and then we can click on more and then we can select pin to taskbar. Now you can see that the icon has appeared on the taskbar. So now if I left click on the taskbar, voila, Excel opens. Alternatively, what I can do, I can create a worksheet, a shortcut for the worksheet. So let me right click on my desktop, let me select new, and let me then select Microsoft Excel worksheet. And I'm just going to rename this to Excel. Now if I double click on it, it launches up Excel, and instead of going to the start screen it goes straight into the spreadsheet. So let me redo this again, and then lastly I can go to the search bar, I can type in the letters Excel, and if I left click on Excel it will open up Excel there as well.